Before installing the RaceChip, please wait for the vehicle's engine to cool down. Put the parking brake on. If equipped, please disable the vehicle's alarm system. Open the vehicle's hood. Roll up the vehicle's windows. Close the vehicle's doors. Lock the vehicle. Move the vehicle's key 30 feet 10 meters away from the vehicle. Wait 10 minutes before starting the installation. This will allow the remaining electricity to leave the vehicle. Locate the first connector at the front of the engine underneath the intake air pipe. Remove the air pipe to access the connector. Then connect the A cable to the boost/charge pressure sensor. Next, remove the engine cover to access the second sensor directly underneath it. Connect the B cable here. When the connector locks in place, you should hear a sharp click. This confirms it is properly seated. Make sure the wiring is routed correctly and secured with zip ties, preferably along the factory wiring harness to keep it away from hot engine components and prevent heat damage to the loom. After that, reinstall the engine cover and the intake air pipe. Finally, connect the RaceChip module to the end of the wiring harness and switch the ignition on. The installation is now complete and your RaceChip is ready to use. Switch on the ignition and start the engine. The display or the green LED on the RaceChip will light up. The system is now active. For your first test drive, start with the default setting of your RaceChip. If everything feels good, you can later switch to the next performance level. Keep in mind that the car will need some time to fully adapt before unlocking the maximum performance boost. Now get out there and enjoy your RaceChip.